So our experiential learning methodology is backed by science, in particular the leading theory in human motivation, which is self-determination theory. And what self-determination theory, Deci and Ryan propose is that employees are motivated to grow, change and contribute when three core psychological needs are met. So it's the autonomy, as Elenia spoke about this, the personal buy-in and ownership, the relatedness, connection and belonging, and competence, contribution and accomplishment in our external environment. And this intrinsic motivation ensures enduring change. And, you know, we are honoured to have Elenia on our board and to be able to continue collaborating with her in this area. We also have applications from different fields as well. So NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, self-determination theory, of course. We also have self-leadership theory, neuroscience, positive psychology, and emotional intelligence. And I just want to sort of talk about around those and how they kind of flow into each other. So self-determination theory, it's about the intrinsic motivation. NLP, what we're doing here is we're changing perception. So as we know, the subconscious mind, what sits below that sort of waterline, the iceberg, is the projector that, you know, portrays what we see in the world, the lens with which we see. So what we're doing here through certain processes and repetition of key language and words is reframing people's perspective and the lens with which they view themselves and their workplace environment and indeed their life. Neuroscience, where that comes in, is how we are able to create new neural path networks, you know, where things become repetitive as we talk about, you know, it's a daily practice. We're embedding an infrastructure where we can challenge the status quo, and all of that over time, which is why it becomes not a one-off process rather than an ongoing way of being and dialogue. We're starting to rewire the brain and create new neural path networks. And then self-leadership theory, which bases its early works on self-determination theory, Charles Mance. And what he's saying is that, you know, intrinsically we are motivated human beings, but we also have, for the times that we have less intrinsically motivating tasks to do that, how can we use self-management techniques to be able to accomplish those tasks as well?